Everyone to please stand for our prayer to be played by a multimedia presentation. For those who are Catholic, please sign at the cross. Alright, you may now take your seats. Do you have any absentees for today?
No, ma'am.
Wow, since there's none, then I'll be giving you extra points for your attendance. Do we have any assignments?
No, ma'am.
Alright, then let's proceed. But before that, let me remind you on our classroom rules for you to be guided during our discussion. Everyone, please read.
Classroom rules. Respect.
Alright, thank you so much. Now let's proceed to our class. Who remembers our previous lesson?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ms. Rio?
our previous lesson is about noun.
How do you define nouns?
A noun is a name of place, things, and etc.
Very good. I can see that you are learning with our previous lesson. Now, let's proceed to our new topic. But before that, let me remind you on our objectives for you to be guided on what will be the outcome of our discussion for today. Mr. Makalipay, can you read?
Objectives at the end of this lesson, the student will be able to define linguistic devices and explain the function in sentence. B. Valid the importance of collaboration in doing activities about speech. C.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Makalipay, for reading the objective. I hope you are guided. Well, let's proceed to our motivation. Now, to energize our minds, I want you to open your smartphones because I already sent you the link in our GCs. Kindly open it. Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Jason, for reading the objectives. I hope you are guided too. For next time, I want you to open your smartphones because in our GC, I already sent our link for this activity. I'll be giving you 5 minutes to work in your seats. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, Mr. Makalipay, what is the answer for the number 1?
So the answer for number 1 is linguistic devices.
Mr. Delugin, how about the number 2?
Well, the answer for number 2 is speech.
Ms. Rio, what do you think is our topic for today?
Our topic for today, ma'am, is about cohesive devices.
Very good. Indeed, our topic for today is all about cohesive devices. Cohesive devices adds additional meaning or information to the text. Mr. Delugin, can you read the example?
At the end of the run, he was suddenly afraid. The height of the tree terrified him.
Very good. Now, in here, the word terrified and afraid is an example for the cohesive devices. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, let's proceed to another example. Ms. Rio, I want you to read this.
Example. Bullying is not good as it affects emotional and psychological behavior of an individual. Most victims of bullying experience physical, emotional, and mental health issues.
Alright, now in this juncture, the word bullying here adds additional meaning to the text. Now, for the generalization, you already understand our new topic, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, at this juncture, I want you to open your smartphones again because I already sent at your GC the link for our Google Docs, and in that link, I want you to write why is it that cohesive devices is important in writing a speech or a story. Am I understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Let's do your activities. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Can you send your outputs in our GCs?
No, ma'am.
Alright. Now let's proceed to the next activity. I want 2 participants to go here in front. For group 1, devices. And I will be providing the link for our Padlet. And who got the group 2? Alright, for the group 2, I want you to compose an informative essay using cohesive devices. And this is the link for our Padlet. Now, this is the QR code for this activity. Am I understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
You are already given 15 minutes to do this activity. You can do it right now. Busy-busy mo na doon. Ay, what? Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, make sure to send your outputs in my Padlet so that I can access all your answers. Now, for the evaluation, I want you to click the link at your GCs, where I already sent the link for our Google Forms. And I want you to answer the 5 items multiple choice. You can start now. Done with your quiz, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, for your assignment, I want you to write an extemporaneous speech with the use of the cohesive devices. And I want you to pass it again in our Padlet, which has this QR code. It will be collected, the deadline will be next day. Do you have any questions, clarifications about our new topic for today?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, thank you so much. That's all for today. I am Donnie Rods